This is Seminar 1 of the ISSA Exclusive Managing and Motivating Teams program by the World Maritime Academy, in collaboration with the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association, ISSA. And it is designed exactly for this moment, the moment you decide to become not just a good operator, but a genuinely effective people leader. Think back to when you first became a manager or supervisor in ship supply. When did anyone sit you down and actually teach you how to manage people? How to handle a difficult team member, how to build trust when everyone is under pressure, how to lead, not just organize? For most people in this industry, the honest answer is, they didn't. In this seminar, you will explore what makes managing people in ship supply different from any other industry, because it is different. You will examine the critical shift from being a supervisor to becoming a leader. You will develop a real understanding of the people on your team, what drives them, what worries them, what they need from you. And you will learn practical ways to build trust, even when the pressure is at its highest. You do not need an HR background. You do not need any prior management training. This seminar speaks directly to the realities of ship supply work, practical, clear, and immediately applicable to the situations you face every single day. You have two ways to join. You can register for this seminar on its own, or you can enroll in the full 4-seminar course, Crash Course in Managing and Motivating Teams in Ship Supply Companies, and get the complete picture. Either way, you start learning immediately. Your instructors, Kelly Panagiotopoulou, Maritime HR Manager and Mentor, and Dr. Katerina Konster, CEO, World Maritime Academy, are highly accomplished professionals with a wealth of expertise in the field. Both are here to guide you every step of the way.
Worried about fitting this into your schedule? Fear not. There are no fixed start dates. You can embark on this transformative journey anytime, from anywhere, and adjust the pace to meet your needs. Are you ready to elevate your knowledge and skills in maritime?
Every strong, high-performing ship supply team starts with one thing: a confident, capable leader. That leader can be you. You will find the information about this course on the WMA site. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@e-wma.com.